Hello and welcome to English Bites. In this video, we are discussing the word anatomize. Anatomize has 4 syllables, and in British English, we pronounce it as anatomize, anatomize, anatomize. In American English, we pronounce it as anatomize, anatomize, anatomize. Anatomize means to cut apart and study the different parts of something in a great details. It's like looking at a machine, breaking it down into smaller pieces, understand the relation of these pieces or parts, and find out how each piece of machine works together and forms a machine. The example sentences are: number 1. During this science experiment, students had the opportunity to anatomize the frog, exploring its organs and body parts. Number 2. The doctor will anatomize the X-ray to understand the human bone structure. Its synonyms are examine, analyze, study. The antonyms are skim, ignore, overlook. The first form is anatomize, the second form is anatomized, and the third form is anatomized. Common preposition used with this word is on. The other prepositions are anatomize of and anatomize into. Thanks for watching.